Hi there, my name's Cody Neath, and I'm a product engineer for Canusa CPS, the world leaders in heat shrink sleeve and pipeline joint coating technology. I'd like to talk to you about an exciting new development from Canusa, which eliminates the use of open torch flame during final shrink down. This unique engineering solution is currently entering the market branded as IntelliCOAT. Let's hear what the experts have to say.
Several years ago, when we started using 3-layer polypropylene coatings for our pipelines, the only sleeves available at the time were polyethylene based. So we went to the industry and we told them we need a polypropylene shrink sleeve. And the first company which actually heeded our call and came up with a truly polypropylene shrink sleeve were Canusa.
It's a good technology. It's going to be perfect, and I hope that we will go to use it on board our barges.
It standardizes the process. It makes the job far easier and quicker. And with this type of technology, you are bound to make fewer mistakes.
You don't have to use technicians. You don't have to use operators.
We look forward to using it in our future pipeline coating systems and our projects. So well done, Canusa.
So what is IntelliCOAT? In order to understand that, we have to track back in history to when heat shrink sleeves of all types were installed manually. First, the prepared joint for either a 2-layer or a 3-layer sleeve system was manually heated to the correct temperature. Unfortunately, the temperature was not always correct due to operator error. Site conditions also affect preheat temperatures and installation factors. Often, this resulted in inconsistent installations, this being the best available solution at the time. With the launch of Canusa GTS PP, the first and still only true polypropylene heat shrink sleeve, Canusa introduced preheat consistency with our generator and induction heating coil system. This overcame the problems associated with preheat inconsistencies. However, even with this important issue solved, there still remained the possibility of human error during sleeve shrink down. With the introduction of IntelliCOAT, the integrity of the installed sleeve is as near as possible to achieving a factory quality coating. Joint surface preparation is critical to ensure long-term corrosion protection for the design life of the pipeline. The exposed steel is blasted to a near white metal SA 2.5 finish with a surface profile of 50 to 100 microns. The mainline coating overlaps are then prepared by grinding to expose fresh coating and chamfered to an angle of approximately 30 degrees. To ensure maximum adhesion of the two-component liquid epoxy to the prepared steel, various surface preparation tests are employed according to the project specifications. These include chloride and dust contamination testing. Canusa's specially formulated two-component epoxy primer is then mixed, either using bubble pack kits or from bulk containers. Prior to epoxy application, the steel surface temperature should be heated to approximately 50 degrees Celsius. The epoxy is applied manually to the steel using applicator sponges to a specified wet film thickness. The induction heating coil is positioned over the field joint, and the entire area is heated to a minimum application temperature of 175 degrees Celsius. The coil is removed and the sleeve is wrapped around the joint area. Care must be taken to ensure the sleeve is centered over the full width of the field joint. The sleeve overlap is placed at either the 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock position and then sealed with a closure strip. IntelliCOAT is then centrally positioned over the joint area. The Canusa IntelliCOAT engineer calibrates the microprocessor for a predetermined shrinking time, dependent on variable project-specific factors such as the pipe size and wall thickness. For the purposes of this demonstration, the shrinking time is 3 minutes on a 24-inch diameter pipe with a wall thickness of 17 millimeters. Finally, IntelliCOAT is removed, the sleeve edge adhesion is tested, and a visual inspection is carried out. Now, let's consider some of the benefits of IntelliCOAT to the client, consultant, contractor, and all other parties involved. IntelliCOAT produces consistent and repeatable joint-for-joint installation, eliminating operator error and the use of flame shrinkdown. Elimination of open flame promotes a safer HSE working environment. Production rates are higher and more controlled. IntelliCOAT is especially advantageous for offshore applications where installation cycle time is critical. On-site labor requirements, operating consumables, and overheads are all reduced. IntelliCOAT is available as a full turnkey package or on a lease and supervision basis. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation on IntelliCOAT. For any further information on this exciting new technology and how we can help you with your project, please contact your local Canusa office. We look forward to working with you and thank you for your interest in IntelliCOAT.